Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm so excited about this video because we are in full back to school season, and I recently had a wonderful opportunity to go to Panama City, Florida to help my friend Michelle organize her classroom for the school year, and thanks to Cricut for sponsoring this video, so let's jump right in. So friends, Michelle is a third grade teacher at Bay Haven Academy, a charter school in Panama City. And I wanted to go in and really give her kind of that backdrop that will allow her to come in and be able to take her Cricut, which thanks to Cricut, they gave her the brand new Cricut Explorer. I think she is just having a blast right now with it. And it really is a great tool for teachers because it allows them to really customize their classroom to their needs all year long. And for Michelle, that's really important for third grade. So with the Cricut, she'll be able to do her bulletin boards and do different projects for the kids. And because you can use so many different materials from kind of vinyl to paper, all those things that teachers use and more, it really is going to be efficient for her. So I am excited about not only giving her the new Cricut, but also about giving her that beautiful backdrop to have fun in organizing and setting up her classroom. So I want to take you on that journey now. Okay, friends, so let's take a look at the before of the classroom, and it is no different than any other classroom that I have been in. Teachers have a lot of stuff. Oftentimes, they tend to hoard things and hold on to things because they are scared to get rid of their things because oftentimes they have to supply a lot of the things they need to teach. And that is what causes them to really kind of cling on to things in the thought process of they may need it later. But for Michelle, what I wanted to do is really hit the refresh button on her classroom. She wanted a travel theme, so I wanted to give that to her. And that's where Cricut was just amazing for being able to create those things that we needed, such as mats for the pictures and also passports that we wanted to create for the kids. And because she wanted that travel theme, it's a lot of fun things that you can implement in a classroom. And so I wanted to put those little touches in place for her, but not to do everything. I wanted to leave things for her to really come in and be able to use her Cricut, since Cricut so graciously gave her the Explorer 3, and I wanted to just really set the tone, set the backdrop for her. And I was so super excited that they actually sent her the color that coordinated with her classroom. And you guys know how important the whole coordination thing is for me. So that was exciting to have one that just blended in to the room. So as you can see, there's a lot of pieces of furniture in here also. There were so many tables and cabinets and shelves and things like that. Huge banker's desk that I really thought she really did not need, and it really distracted from the classroom. So first, let me share with you the reveal when Michelle first saw the completed classroom, and then I will jump in and show you the finished classroom. So let's do it.
Oh my goodness! Oh my! Oh my goodness!
Bigger, huh?
It is beautiful! Oh my! I cannot believe this. It looks so different.
You can think.
Yeah!
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I would have never imagined this, even from the concept.
Yeah.
I would have never imagined this in one day.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So friends, I was so overjoyed that Michelle loved the classroom. I love that it really just looked so much larger, and she and the kids had space to walk around, but they had everything they needed. They had that reading section, they had their learning area, they had their small group section, and she had a place for everything. And it wasn't filled with stuff that she didn't necessarily use, but she felt like she had to hold on to. Now it's filled with those essentials that they need. She even has her own space now that is more appropriate for her, instead of having to have this huge banker's desk that just really just took up so much space that could be better utilized for having extra area for the kids to kind of walk around and get around within the classroom. And so I kept things in that white, in that blue, in that turquoise, because those are really just bright, fun, inspiring colors, and it really can help when they're in that learning environment. Another thing is the inboxes. A lot of times teachers have to get that corrugated cardboard inboxes that only last a couple months because the kids are so hard on them. Well, now I put wooden ones in place for her, so this will last her year after year after year, and so she doesn't have to go out and purchase new ones every year. And it was so fun doing the travel theme. Michelle loves to travel, and this is going to be fun for her kids. We even put the clocks up there for them to have different time zones, and so that she can use her Cricut to make the different labels for that. The benches have storage for her to be able to store things in, which is huge. And then also they have their beautiful reading section. So again, they have these different sections in the classroom that are very spacious, so they don't feel like they're crammed, and they don't have to look at all of the darker colors in there, darker woods, but they have more bright and colorful things that are just great for the third grade age group. And also, I love the fact that I left things for her to utilize her Cricut for, such as what I mentioned before, kind of putting the signs of the different countries for the different time zones, and she can create different travel themed artwork and put and change out in her frames, and also her bulletin boards, So she has little spots in here over the next week while she has her last planning week that she can really take time to enjoy using her Cricut and finishing off her classroom. Because one thing I will say about Cricut is they have created a cutting machine that is so simplified that the learning curve is just almost non-existent. It truly is. So there is no reason to be intimidated by having a Cricut because they have made it so user-friendly. And I love that it's right there by her desk. She can easily use it throughout the school year. And she just has everything that she needs to accomplish the mission of being an excellent teacher. So I love that the room is really open. I love that she now has the tools such as the Cricut. She also has a working space for not only her students, but for herself. And friends, this was such a fun project, and because I was able to do it for a friend, it was even more special. So thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video and for giving this amazing teacher one of your newest machines, the Cricut Explorer 3, so that she can really have a great start to her school year. And also, I'll put the link to Cricut down below, so definitely check it out. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.